Those pies are really thinking now.
Well, the one in the big oven, it's come off the trivet that I put in there. So it's cockeyed. I think the liquid's coming out.
Burning on the sides. You put liquid or anything in there?
Nope. Not when you're roasting beans.
See how they pop?
Well, if it's 30 minutes, you're about halfway home.
See, and you're starting to get some dark ones in there now.
Look at the tiny roast ones, those are good.
Sure, I'll get right on that, dear.
And I want over.
Is that dark enough for you?
No.
No. Okay. Put this spoon on your backside.
Oh, it's gonna be fun too.
Yeah.
Ow!
You can take this on your campaign, dear. Just don't share it with the
No,
other
really, that's only
soldiers.
about 3 or 4 cups right there.
Well, with the way we drink cheese.
I say those look really good. They smell kind of nutty.
Yeah.
You want me to put them back in?
No.
Let's get ready to try them out.
I'll just go with
Everybody here will probably drink pretty strong coffee, if it's strong at all.
Well, that's going to be about all of it. Okay, we're just going to put the whole thing in.
I don't think anybody here is a fan of weak coffee.
All right, we'll let it cook for a little bit.
Look and see how much full this is. I still got plenty.
Okay, I'm going to move your hands, Rosella. I don't want to.
Yeah, I think it'll stay now that it's wet.
And that's why, because there's just a little bitty holes down in there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you made a nice both of those, didn't you? All right, we're ready. If the flavor's there, then the only thing we had to do was either put more in it or it didn't get hot enough to really.
It's kind of subtle, but I don't think it got hot enough.
Brazilian tea.
Yeah, it just, I think it would be, I think tomorrow if we put it in the coffee pot, it would be fine. Okay, take a spoon.